My name is Rebecca, never Becky, and I wanted to create this look for you for the JACKLYN Heal 2 palette. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Okay, now that I'm up and I'm ready to work, I got the JACKLYN Heal 2 palette, guys. She is so beautiful. I felt like the look that I did, it wasn't something I would have done with this palette. Now she gets her day with me. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Too Faced Born This Way. Born This Way, because I don't know what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna go ahead and just distribute out this foundation on my face and kind of get started. How is everybody dealing with the coronavirus, you guys? Like, I feel like a lot of people are going a little over the top with it, but I'm also noticing like a lot of places are closing. So I haven't partaked in the craziness, but I'm sure I will very soon with the way that this stuff is going. So we shall see where I wind up. Hopefully not on the news, because I was trying to fight somebody for toilet paper. Oh Lord, don't even get me started on that. So yes, guys, this will be a full face. This is gonna be an entire beat, you guys. So get ready, okay? Get ready. I am like wiping off brushes immediately. I just cannot take the risk of getting sick. But I'm gonna go ahead with my beauty blender. I have bought another beauty blender over the weekend, guys, and I don't like the material. I don't know what it's for, if it was made for something particularly. I know that the colors are different, but I noticed with this one that I got, it was this, let me show you guys. So it's this colored beauty blender, and it's just, I don't know, it's not as soft. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy because I haven't had a new one in so long. I don't know. But anyway, I got it, and I love beauty blenders, guys. I'm addicted to all beauty blenders. It just makes your job a little easier. You don't have to struggle that much. I do like a foundation brush, so that's what I'm gonna go do right now so I can have an even smooth look, is I'm gonna buff out any harsh lines throughout the face, and I'm gonna make sure she's melted into the skin. And then I'm gonna go in with my Clinique. This is in Chai. And I'm going to go underneath the eye. And I did do a lot last time, so I'm gonna do a lot less this time. And that's it, guys, right underneath the eye. I'm gonna go in with my new beauty blender, and I'm going to blend it out underneath the eye. Okay guys, I had to stop. The look was kind of escaping me and I started losing control. So what I went ahead and did is apply my Clinique concealer back over my eyebrows underneath and kind of cleaned up where I did not want the product to escalate all the way up to. So I'm gonna go in with Dare to Create palette. This neutral color here, I'm gonna use in my brow bone to calm it down because, you know, JACKLYN, we gonna have to talk because this palette is lit, but you don't have nothing in there that is kind of neutral all the colors that you think you're looking at that doesn't escalate, they escalate. So don't ever grab this palette and think you're not about to have an extra look. And if you ain't ready, put her down and stay at volume 1. Volume 2 is for the pros. I see you. Okay, girl, I see you. Now that you guys can kind of see this palette, I'm staying safe because she ain't here to play with me. She got all these colors and she said, try me. Tell me I'm boring. I hear you. I hear you. I really do hear you. Like, I get it. G Money is like the darkest color, I want to say, in this palette that is semi-safe to play with if you're not trying to go loud. So just a heads up, if you're trying to play it safe before you go off, G Money is going to be the darkest color you're going to find in this palette because everything else, it's pretty loud. But I'm going to do pat motions. So let's see how this pans out, people. She's amazing. She's amazing. I love her. Oh. If she don't stop playing with me. Do you guys see this? Do you see that? JACKLYN, you have really showed out. Did nobody tell you to come out and play like this? You had no business acting like this. Like, none. Oh, listen, none. Oh my God, I'm losing it. I am losing it. I don't even know if I want to cover the whole eye, if I want to leave a little sparkle. I don't know, people. This is so pretty. It kind of reminds me, not quite like Trophy Wife, because I feel like she's more on the yellow side, but this is right up her alley, guys. JACKLYN, call me. We need to talk. I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my mascara. And as I've said before, sometimes I like to just put the mirror underneath my chin here, just like this, and look down, because it just makes it easier for me because I have bone straight lashes. So I want to do a red lip. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is grab my red pencil and I'm gonna outline my lips and hopefully find a good red. I feel like I have not found the perfect red for my skin tone, so it's a little hard, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can try with the colors that I already have. I'm not sure honestly where I got this lip pencil from. Actually, I lied, I got it from L'Oreal. So L'Oreal, I just completely lied to you guys. It's a rich matte pencil, so it's L'Oreal. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you had fun watching me get ready. Each and every one of you guys, I am absolutely so grateful that you guys even request things from me, that you're watching my Instagram stories. And if you do not know who I am, my name is The Real Rebekah. And if you follow me on Instagram, it's The Real Rebekah Green. I appreciate you guys. I am in a little bit of a rush, but if you had fun watching me, then why have you not clicked, subscribed, followed me on Instagram, or told a friend yet? You're here, you're watching me. Don't you want your friends to watch me? Go ahead and tell them all about me. So, again, I had fun making this look with you guys. I appreciate you guys watching me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.